So friends, it has been approved. President Biden is moving forward on new legislation that would provide extra financial assistance to millions of Americans, especially low-income households. Many people can expect to see a monthly benefit bonus. This bonus could be worth up to $200. Friends, this is exciting news for many of you. So do make sure that you watch until the end of this video for the complete details. Also, I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. If you would like to enter these giveaways, please make sure you click and like several of my videos and comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, during the months of October, November, and December, I will also be surprising several of you with $200 gift cards to whomever have been in this community for several months. It's a way to say thank you so very much for being here every day. In an effort to keep up with the record-breaking inflation, the Social Security Administration recently announced its biggest cost of living adjustment in more than 4 decades. The 2023 COLA is 8.7%, meaning that the average Social Security check will increase by around $140 beginning next year. Though 8.7% is a historically high adjustment and the highest since 1980, when the COLA was 14.3%, you may be wondering if this is adequate to match inflation. Economists have told reporters, "We believe that the cost of living adjustment for Social Security will go a long way in reducing the sting that's associated with rising inflation that many retirees have experienced over the past 12 months. However, it may not be enough for everyone. Despite the rise in the cost of living, it is important to keep in mind that the way that retirees experience these price changes is unique to their personal situation. There are a few factors that play a role in whether the new COLA is enough to keep up with inflation these days. One of them is mortgage. According to Yahoo News, a retiree without a mortgage or with a fixed mortgage may not feel the pinch of rising housing costs in the way that a renter might. Housing plays a large role in determining a client's monthly fixed expenses in retirement, and low interest rates have brought about many changes to the housing markets over the past several months. Location will also play an important role as we head into the winter months. Colder climates will likely feel the pinch of rising energy costs, while urban residents may absorb higher expenses than those retirees located in more rural areas. There are other financial experts that are unconvinced that the new COLA will be enough to match inflation. Ethan Caffrey, a financial advisor, told Yahoo News, "COLA fails to sufficiently keep up with inflation, despite the fact that by nature, COLA is indeed designed to keep up with present inflation. There will be an 8.7% increase for Social Security recipients. However, the 8.7% increase in CPI happened in the previous year, and recipients are only collecting their 8.7% increase from 2023 and beyond." So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that monthly benefits for Social Security recipients needs to be increased a lot more? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video today is Ohio River. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Ohio River, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. Also, friends, today President Biden announced a crackdown on so-called junk fees, including new steps that effectively ban banks from issuing surprise overdraft fees and depositor fees on bounced checks. His speech announcing the new actions also highlighted his administration's efforts to provide more breathing room relief to American consumers. This comes as the economy and inflation remain top concerns to voters days before the midterm elections. So President Biden stated, "Today, my administration is announcing new actions to lower the cost of everyday living for American families, to put more money in the pockets of the middle income and working class Americans, to hold big corporations accountable." Biden also pointed to the hidden fees like overdraft fees, hidden hotel booking fees, and termination charges when consumers switch cable and internet plans. President Biden said that the new moves on junk fees will immediately start saving Americans collectively billions of dollars in unfair fees, and that he has directed his administration to reduce or eliminate other junk fees. Specifically, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is issuing new guidance publicly, relaying that depositor fee and surprise overdraft free practices are likely unfair under existing laws. Analysts say that the new guidance signals the agency plans to lean heavily on enforcement instead of the lengthy rule-making process when it comes to these banking fees. The U.S. economy and inflation are issues at the front of voters' minds in battleground states. And along with acknowledging Americans' frustrations about the state of the economy, President Biden has frequently deployed a midterm campaign message aimed at differentiating what he says are the savings in Democrats' policy plans from Republicans' costly proposals. So friends, what are your thoughts on President Biden's new proposal? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my dearest and greatest friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here every day when I post a new video. And I truly hope that you found some of this information. Friends, please remember to enter the Walmart gift card giveaways simply by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways.
Ordered what you wanted, and they ordered what they wanted. You shouldn't be on the hook for their cost. Sadly, Madam President, this illustration is far too real, as last month Joe Biden announced that he would cancel billions of dollars in student loans. Now, let's be clear. He isn't canceling student debt. No, he's transferring that debt to every American taxpayer. Now, a construction worker in Florida is having to foot the bill for the loans of a Harvard grad, which they voluntarily accepted for the education they received. So here's what Democrats are trying to say to that construction worker. You didn't go to college? Democrats don't care. You'll pay the debt of lawyers and doctors. And you'll pay for those who want PhDs in poetry. Talk about poetic injustice. You went to community college or a state school and worked to graduate debt-free. Tough luck. Joe Biden wants you to pay for the advanced degrees of the privileged few. Your tax dollars are now the money pot for other people's student debt. Of course, Joe Biden's plan doesn't even begin to address the real reason of rising higher education costs. That is universities' decades-long practice of unnecessarily raising tuition. As governor of Florida, I addressed that problem and challenged our universities to keep education affordable. Look at the University of Florida. Undergraduate tuition and fees for this academic year are less than $6,500, and it's the 5th best public university in the country. You'll get a fantastic education there.